Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a website which will help you make $310 daily. Go to grabpoints.com. This website is gonna help you to get free gift cards for watching videos, answer surveys, and completing offers. Scroll down and see how it works. Advertisers pay GrabPoints for engagements. We recruit members like you. You do online activities, watching videos, taking surveys, completing offers, downloading apps, and more. And then you earn free gift cards or PayPal cash. Feel free to navigate around the page and read everything you need to know. Now scroll up and create an account. You need to enter your email address and your password and click on Sign Up Now. Or sign up with Facebook or with Google. After that you will be redirected to this page with your dashboard. Click on Survey to see more survey you can answer. You can search from all available surveys and choose the one that you want to answer. Let me choose my survey and click on Start. On this page you need to agree to all terms and conditions so that you can start answering surveys. You can select one by one or click on Select All. After that, click on Save. And then you will be redirected to this page where you will need to complete all the questions of your survey so that after you can earn money easily. So that's for today's video. Thanks for watching.